Hey, it's Joel McFadden with your quick tip from the jeweler's bench. Today we're going to talk about bezel setting, and I'm going to talk about my favorite bezel setting tool. Now, I've been a professional stone setter since 1978, and I typically today will use my inset, which is my favorite pneumatic system. But not everybody needs an inset. So what do? A lot of people talk about burnishing the bezels down in schools and all, but that's not what I do. I use a punch, and this is my punch. And this is one of my favorite tools. And what this is this is a flooring nail. Now, flooring nails are hardened steel, which makes great tool material. And in fact, one of the things we're able to do with this is shape and polish the bottom, just as though you were polishing a piece of jewelry. And what this does is, when you're tapping or rubbing or hammering on a piece of jewelry, whatever finish is on the hardened steel will be imparted directly onto the bezel. So this is a great little tool. Here's how I use it. I basically just hold it in my hand. It's nice and long, and we just gently tap. We sort of tap down. Obviously, you don't want to hit the stone, but this is great because it moves some metal quickly with some control, and it leaves a pretty nice finish on here. So this is my tool for bezel setting, and you can make one too. It's a great tool. You can get it from a hardware store. You usually have to buy a box of 10 or 25, but there's a lot of things you can make with these wonderful little flooring nails. So anyway, there you go. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.